Tell me, how do I feel? Tell me, how do I feel? Those who came before me lived through their vocations, from the past unto completion. They will turn away no more. And still I find it so hard to say what I need to say. And I'm quite sure that you'll tell me just how I should feel today. I see a ship in the harbor I can and shall obey. But if it wasn't for your misfortunes, I'd be a heavenly person today. And I thought I was mistaken, and I thought I heard you speak. Tell me, how do I feel? Tell me, how should I feel? And I thought I told you